How to change the aspect ratio in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video you'll find out how you can change the aspect ratio in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, you have to just open the project on your Capcut PC, and once you have the project in hand, you simply have to select the video that you want to change the aspect ratio for. And then you can see on the bottom of this screen here you have this ratio option. Just click it, and now you can just choose the aspect ratio that you like or desire. For example, if you want 16:9, just click it and it's going to change it to 16:9. And if you want to go with any other ratio, just click it and it's going to change into it. And you can also customize it by clicking this customized option. And that's how you change the aspect ratio in Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.